Hi, it's John Glynn, and in this session we're going to look at another option within the layers panel. And if we go up again to the adjustment option, let's create a new fill and adjustment layer, you will find there's a brightness and contrast option. Brightness and contrast is, as it says on the tin, actually just pull these little sliders to the right, and on brightness it will brighten your picture or darken your picture. The one below does contrast up, and you can see it gets more contrasty, black and white. Lower the contrast and it goes more grey. That's all it does. It's not particularly useful, I don't think. I think you don't get a lot of control over it. I know it looks very simple to use, but tiny movements make a huge difference in it, and I prefer to have a bit more control. I would advise using levels rather than using this particular tool, but it is there if you want to try it and just see what it can do for your pictures. But if you can use levels, you'll get more control and do pretty much the same kind of thing. So it may be something you would utilize with levels maybe, but I think levels will give you more control over the whole aspect. Okay, that's all there is to this particular tool. Thank you for watching.